Can you believe that these websites were created in minutes without writing a single piece of code or choosing any templates? I've spent the past week testing different websites, and I've tested over 30, from Wix to WordPress to Webflow and so many more, and I can guarantee you guys that nothing comes close to the AI tool that we are going to be using today. This single tool is changing the game when it comes to website creation, and the tool is called Ready AI. And this is the first website builder on the market that actually understands what you want and gives it to you in the simplest way possible. No more dragging elements around, no more fighting with templates, no more spending hours, days, weeks, and sometimes even months just putting everything together so that your website looks good. Whether you're a business owner that needs a website for your business, a freelancer that needs a website in order to show off your services, or just someone that's been wanting to create a website for quite a while but it seems too complicated, then I can guarantee you that this video is going to change everything for you, and by the end of it I will show you exactly why Ready AI is the tool that you should be using for your next website. But right now guys, it's time for us to check out Ready AI. So guys, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to Ready AI. And guys, when you get there, the first thing that you're gonna see is this. So the nice thing about Ready AI is that it makes everything so simple for you. You can decide between a desktop setup or a mobile setup. And then all you're gonna have to do is describe the project that you want. So I'm gonna say that I want to create a website for a media company that specializes in AI content. Then I'm gonna say make it colorful and futuristic looking. Now this is something that I absolutely love that Ready AI does. So it actually reads what you typed out and then it will actually suggest more things based on what you said. And then all you have to do is just press tab on your PC or your laptop and then it will actually put it in there. And then what you want to do is you want to click on this little box over here. So you actually then have the option to choose a different theme. You can choose a color palette that you want to go for. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to select that, and also there is also an image option, but I'm going to get to that just a little bit later guys. So when you're done with that, you're just going to click on next, and then guys, as you can see now, it is generating everything. It's coming up with the entire idea for our website and it is building upon it. It's coming up with a color scheme and everything, and then once you are happy with everything that's in here, you can type into the text box at the bottom if you would like to change or add anything. But guys, from what I'm seeing, I'm happy with this. But guys, we are coming from the perspective of if you are a newbie at creating websites, you may not know what you want to add in. You just want that initial idea. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at this and you're going to think, okay, that's pretty cool, and then you're going to click on generate, and there you can see Ready AI is already putting everything together. And there we go guys, our website is created, revolutionizing media through AI innovation. And what you will notice guys is it actually took the idea that I went with and it really had a lot of fun with this. It gave us a cool color palette. It really does have that futuristic look. And also the nice thing is it really does set everything up in the way that you would want to. Because if I was putting together a website, a lot of these things are the things that I would be forgetting. I would forget to maybe put in a contact section or an about us section or a services section. It puts it in there, then it's up to you to edit it the way that you want to edit it, to add the links in, and then you can have the website any way that you want to. And now guys, as you can see, the website looks absolutely amazing. And guys, I want to show you another website that I actually created just to kind of test everything out. And here you can see it guys. This is a gym website. So this is for a small business owner who wants to maybe set up a gym brand, and you are looking for a website in that niche. So guys, I just put this together just off the idea of I am a small business owner and I would like a website for my gym business. And it literally gave me this guys. As you can see on the right, if you do need to check anything in the way that everything was set up, you can always just edit it. I love the fact that we have that options on the right hand side and you can always see what you did and you can change that. So that means if I make any changes to this website, I can just go on this right hand section and I can actually edit anything. Now as you guys can see, because we actually asked for a gym website, it actually went so far to actually add in the monthly memberships as well, and I think that is so cool. It's adding things about the trainers. Now it is using AI for all of this, but it looks so realistic, and I think that is something that is really standing standing out when it comes to Ready AI. Now this next part, guys, is extremely important. If you want to change anything on the website, all you have to do is just go into the bottom right hand corner and you just have to click on selector, or you can just say Alt S. But if you click on it, then you'll actually notice that as soon as you go over the pages, stuff starts to light up. And then once you click on that, you can actually change anything that you want to. So I'm just going to click on this image of the people in the workout section. And I'm just going to say, can you maybe change this image for me? So then guys, I'm just going to type that in, and then in a couple of seconds, you'll see the page will now reload. And when we go back to the section, you'll see, there we go, the image has now changed. So if I wanted to be more specific and I wanted to say, change this into a female bodybuilder, for example, it would actually go so far as to give me that. And now if I want to change anything on the color palette, I can just click on here. If I want to see the code of the website itself, for the coders out there, I can just click on the code option here at the bottom. And also, this is a nice part. If I do feel like I make any mistakes, I can always just go back to the previous versions, because see, I'm currently on version 10, but I can go all the way back to version 4 and I can start editing from that point if I want to. The nice thing is that it does give you the freedom to create stuff the way that you want to, but also what it does is it takes all the hard work out of it. So all you are basically doing is editing an already incredible website. And now guys, I want to show you another example. So how about we create another one from scratch and we change it up just a little bit more in order to test out Ready AI. So I'm just going to click on new page, and then now we're going to create a mobile website. So for this idea, I'm just going to put in something like this. Give me a website about a children's book publishing company called Kids Comics. Make it colorful and playful, and then I'm just going to allow Ready AI to fill in everything else to make it even more incredible. So now guys, we're just going to double check everything, and then we're going to see our color palette. So we're going to make sure that everything is cool. Let's change the primary color back to give Ready AI all the freedom that it needs. And then guys, we are actually going to upload an image as well. So just to kind of give it a theme to work off of, I basically just went on to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to give me a picture of a children's book cover that involves a little child and a dragon, and it basically just gave me this image. Now I'm clicking on that image over there guys, and we are going to use this as a reference. I want to use the layout and also the color because I happen to like the color scheme on this image. Then we're just going to click on send, and now guys, it's going to be generating everything for our website. And I do really like this guys, that it does go into all the details and it shows you exactly what it's going to be using. I am curious to see how it does create a mobile website for us. So we're just going to click on generate, then we're going to give it a couple of seconds guys, and the surprising thing is it genuinely takes 10 seconds for it to come out with a website for you. No more playing around with elements, no more moving things around. You can have everything done this quickly guys, all because of Ready AI. Don't forget guys, if you want to check it out, first link in the description below. And guys, our site is completed. So this is a mobile website, and as you can see guys, it really does look like it is a children's book site. Like here you can see there's a couple of examples already. Dragons Friends, Space Explorer, Oceans Wanderers, and also there's categories at the bottom. So it really is giving the kind of thing that you would see on the App Store or just a simple website where you can buy books. I think this is absolutely cool guys. And if you look over to the right, they actually went so far as to create another set for us. So this is actually another option that if you just click on it, you can actually see more options for the book. So you can either choose A or B, and if you don't like anything, just click on selector and you can change anything up in the way that you want to guys. I happen to think that that's pretty cool. And guys, just to show you how easy it is to change up some stuff, I'm gonna go back to the gym website that we created. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna select on the selector again, then you're gonna go over to the text. And now if you want to change the text, all you have to do is just click on it, and then you can either add a link to it. So let's say this is your personal website, you can type in my Instagram page, and then you just type it in, you click on it again, you add in a link, and now you can actually have your Instagram. As soon as someone clicks on it, it will take them to the link and it will take them to your Instagram page. But guys, I just want to change up the text real quick. So this body and mind, let's make it even longer, okay? So all I'm going to add in is body, spirit, and mind. I think that's the perfect thing that you want to see on the front page. And I'm just going to click on saving guys, and here you'll see in a matter of 2 seconds, it actually edited it and it's done. So you can do this for everything. There you see the active members part at the bottom. I can change that if I want to. Start your journey. I can say begin your journey now. I can go into any of these sections, even including the money section. Let's say I think $49 is a bit too much for the basic beginners, then I can change that to $29 if I want to. All I have to do is just click on it and I just have to edit the text. So guys, this is what I said before, and this is really what makes Ready so cool. It's the fact that it gives you everything, then all you have to do is that you just edit it. You don't need to have the creativity to come up with all this stuff, because I'm being honest guys, I would have never been able to come up with all of these cool features, all of this looks and everything here. I tried in the past to design a website from scratch and I absolutely failed at it. And guys, that is only the start. You can add in other images, you can add in your own branding logo, you can add in videos if you want to. You can even go so far as to click on selector and to say I want some effects over the images. Then Ready AI will do that for you. It really is taking website building to the next level by incorporating AI and making everything so much easier for you. If you guys are keen on getting Ready AI for yourself, when you go over to the pricing section, you do have the free plan, which means that you get an export code and also you have 2 projects that you can work on, and it gives you 200 credits. But guys, I would definitely recommend the starter package. That is $20 a month, including 5,000 credits. That also means that you get up to 10 credits. You have a custom domain that you can use. You can remove the Ready logo in the corner, which is really important, and also you can export it so that you can show it to other people. There is also the pro options guys, but for now I would suggest first try out the starter, and if you do see that you do need to upgrade in future, then go over to the pro plan. And also guys, it is a bit cheaper if you go over to the yearly plan. The yearly plan works out to about $16 a month for the starter and $32 for the pro account. So guys, what do you think about that? That is the easiest I have ever created a website. Not to mention 3 websites. And guys, the nice thing is that you can have this for yourself. You can create websites this easily in a matter of minutes, and you will have the perfect tool to promote your business, to promote your services, and also to have that website that you've always been dreaming about. Now, didn't I tell you guys that Ready AI is amazing? I've tested so many website builders in the past, and Ready AI stands out for being so simplistic, so sleek, and it really understands exactly what you are saying. Never before has creating a website been this easy. And if you guys want to check it out, then check out the first link in the description below. And while you are down there, give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And I will catch you next time over here on Zinho Media.